Good morning, students. Today we will going to discuss seventh question. Aruna and Radha start their journey from two different places, A and E. Aruna choose the path from A to B, then to C. Will Radha choose the path from E to D, then to C? Find who traveled more and by how much. Asking here. Here given one picture. You saw picture, then after solve problem. So first of all, we will discuss distance covered by Aruna. Distance covered by Aruna. So see here, Aruna A to B, then B to C is given. That's why A to B plus B to C. AB plus BC. AB is equal to how many kilometers? 9.50 kilometers plus B to C 2.40 kilometers. Okay. Now see here. Now here addition now 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 4 9. Point means point. 9 plus 2 how much? 11. So 11.2 sorry 11.90 kilometers she traveled. Who? Aruna. Now you find out the distance. Distance covered by Radha. Radha what? E to D, D to C. So E to D plus D to C. ED is equal to how much? 8.25 kilometers plus DC 3.75 kilometers. Now see, now this both add now. See 8.25 5 plus 5 10 7 plus 3 10 8 9 12. What? Total 12 kilometer she traveled. Who? Radha. So now only find out who traveled more than who means Radha traveled more than Aruna. See how much asking, how much means what, find out difference minus. So see here. Radha traveled more than Aruna. By how much asking? How much means very easy here. 12 kilometers minus 11.90 kilometers. So total how many kilometers? See here different. Just 0.10 kilometer is difference. So here 0.10 kilometer is how many meters? See here. You know already 1 meter, 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. You know this. So 0.10 what into kilometer means what? Meter. How many meters? 1000 meters. So now you do multiplication. You get how many meters? 100 meters. How you get 100 meters? Explain here. 1000 into 0.10. 0 0 was 0, 0 0 was 0, 0 0, 1 0 was 0, 1 0 was 0, 1 0 was 0, 1 1 was 1, 100 plus 0 0 was 0, 0 0 was 0, 0 0 was 0, 0 1 was 0. So completed. Now what to addition? 0 0 0 0 1. Here 0. How many places before point have here? 2 places before point. 1 and 2 before point. So 100.00. Here 100 before 0 have, right? Don't write, no problem. So how many meters? 100 meters. This is rough work. So write down now. Okay, now Upendra went to the market to buy vegetables. He brought 2 kg, 250 grams of tomatoes, 2 kg, 500 grams of potatoes, 750 grams lady fingers, and 125 grams green chilies. How much weight did Upendra carry back to his house? How much weight asking? How much is what total? See now, weight of tomatoes. What is the weight of tomatoes? 2 kg to 250. Here point before kg, point after grams. So weight of potatoes. How much? 2 kg 500. Okay. Next weight of lady fingers. How much weight? 750 grams. Only before what not have here. So next weight of green chilies. Weight of green chilies. How many grams? 125 grams. So total weight. See here 5. Again 0 only have. Here 5. Here 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 2 12. 2 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 1 16. 6 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. So 5 kgs 625 grams total weight. Understood now? See again one time here. 5 means 5. 5 5. 10 plus 2 12. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 7 15. 15 1 16. 6 1 carry. Total 5. Understood now? Right up. Now, directly we are going to discuss exercise 6. Remaining very easy. I will explain here. See, exercise 6 see what now. I will explain here 2 problems. Carefully understand here. I will explain first one 0.3 into 6. So, here we have into only multiplication. So 6 3 is 18. 8 1 carry here. 6 0 0 0 plus 1 1 only. So here 1 place before point is there. So if you 1 place before point, so this is the answer. Understood? Very easy. So next I will explain here 6th one. So see here 5 1s are 5 5 0 0 5 0 0 5 1s are 5 5 2s are 10. So this is the answer. So here 2 places before point is there. That's why you keep 2 places before keep point. So here point. So this is the answer. Understand? Here in your question, what is the decimal number is there? How many places before point is there? So that many places before you put point. Understood? Okay. Very easy. Remaining problems also same as it is. This like only solve. So next question. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is 6.2 centimeters and the breadth is 4 centimeters. Here asking the length. Here given length given 6.2 meters centimeters. Breadth how much given 4 centimeters. So find out the area of rectangle. L into P. L means how much? 6.2 centimeters into breadth how much? 4 centimeters. Okay. Now do multiplication just before like 4 2s are 8. 4 6s are 24. How many places before point? 1 place before point. So keep point here. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So this is the answer. What is this? Area of rectangle. They are given length given and breadth given. Okay. Write down. Now, solve the following third picture. Here given here multiplication of decimal number by 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay. Now shall explain first one. 21.3 into 10 given. So how to find out this? Here given decimal number. So first of all you convert this decimal number. this remove this point, so 213 I'm removing point, so here 1 place before point is there, so downside you get only 10, that's why 10 into means into whatever answer here what given 10 given, so this to this connect 10 ones are 10 ones are, what is the answer 213. Okay, so what not have here, just here point have this point remove you, and how many places before point have here, that many zeros kept here downside. Okay, downside means denominator place. Okay, so this side. So I'll explain remaining one. 100th one I will explain. Fifth one. Already by 10 decimal number by 10 completed. Now decimal number by 100 I will explain. 131.1 into 100. So see how like this. Here point or point remove. So 131 again one right. Have one here. So 1 place before point only. What is this here? Only 10 now. 10 before. Sorry, 1 place before point have. So 10 into 100. So now what to cut it? 0, 0 cancel. 10, 10 cancel. Next 1311 into 10. So what getting? 13,110 answer. Okay, 1311 into 10, 13,110. Okay, so this like can you solve? Okay, so next one problem I will explain. Decimal number by 1000. So how to get 1000? See here, given 12th one given here, 0.03 into 1000. This is also very easy. So here see first of all find out 2 places before point have. Which number have only one number only have 3. 3 by how many places 2.2 place means what 2 zeros, which means 100 into 1000. Okay, now 2 zeros cancel. 3 into 10. What is the answer? 3 tens are 30. Okay, so this like remaining all problems you only solve very easy. Okay, so next fourth one question. A motorbike covers a distance 62.5 km consuming 1 liter of petrol. How much distance does it cover for 10 liter of petrol? So see, this is also very easy problem. Here you do multiplication. Now see here, distance covered a motorbike 1 liter of petrol. Distance covered 1 liter of petrol. How many distance? 62.5 kilometers. Then 10 liter of petrol. 10 liter of petrol. Distance covered 10 liters of petrol. Don't know. 10 liter of petrol? Don't know. So what do? 62.5 into 10. అంటే లీటర్ కి ఇంత దూరం పోతే 10 లీటర్లకు ఎంత దూరం పోతుంది అంటున్నాడు. సో వెరీ ఈజీ నౌ. జస్ట్ బిఫోర్ లైక్ దట్ సేమ్ 625 here point have removing I am. So 1 place before point, so what getting 10 into what have here 10. So 10 ones are 10 ones are. What is the answer? 625 kilometers. So ఒక లీటర్ పెట్రోల్ కేమో 62.5 కిలోమీటర్ దూరం పోతే 10 లీటర్ల పెట్రోల్ కి ఎంత దూరం పోతుంది అంటే 625 కిలోమీటర్ డిస్టెన్స్ is by covering. Okay, so this is the answer. Remember. Next one, solve the following. See, I am explaining here. Here given decimal number multiplication of decimal number by decimal number. See, this is also very easy. So first one like this. So let's do first one. 1.5 into 0.3. So see here, what given here? 1.5. You convert in decimal fraction. Point remove. So 15. 15 by 1 place before point means 10. Into means into. 0.3 means only number only right. 3. Point remove. By how many places before point? 1 place before point means what do here? 10. Okay. Now 15 3s are 50 into 3 by 10 10s are 100. 15 3s are 45. 45 by 100. You get what? Now we write decimal number. 2 zeros have means 2 place before point. What is that? 0.45. This is the answer. Okay, very easy. I am what doing here? Just this point I am removed, then after I am written here downside decimal number. So 1 place before point means 1 0, 10. Here also 10th place. This is 1's place, this 10th place. That's why I written 10. Okay? Right on this side. So let's explain next question. See here, fifth one question I have explained. 0.5 into 0.05. Okay. Now see 5 by 10 into 5 by 2 places before point 100. 5 5s are so 5 into 5 by 100 into 1000. Sorry, 100 into 10,000. 5 5s are 25. 25 by 1000. How many zeros is there? 3 zeros means 3 places before point. Here only 2 places here. Again 1 place not have 1 2 have 3 places before point means there keep 0. So 1 2 3 before point 0. 0.025. Answer please. Okay. Right. So remaining are as it is. This like only have here in this bit 5th bit problems. These all you want to solve. Next 6th bit. So next 6th bit beta 2.3 divisible 100. So here given division decimal number divisible whole number or 100, 10 and 1000. So see here you convert first of all 2.3 point remove. So 23 by what? 10. Why? Because 1 plus before point have here. So here divisible have. This divisible convert what? Multiplication. Multiplication means what happened here? Reciprocal of 100. What is it? 1 by what? 1 by 100. So 100 by 1 having 100 by 1 means what happened? 1 by 100. 23 into 1 by 10 into 100. 23 ones are 23 by 10 hundreds are 1000. So 3 zeros is there. So 3 places before point. That's why 0.023 answer. Okay? Anybody doubt here? Very easy. Write down. So next one I will explain here. In this bit only. So I will explain now. 4th one. 127.1 divisible 1000. See this also as it is 1271 by 1 plus before point. So 10. Division we convert multiplication. What getting 1 by 1000. So 1271 ones are 1271 by 1000 tens are 10,000. Yes or no? 1000 tens are 10,000. So here how many zeros is there? 4 zeros. So 4 place before point. So 0.1271. So this is the answer. Anybody doubt here? So write down this. Okay. So in this bit I will let you again one last problem. See here 88.5 divisible 0.15. So here 885 by 10 divisible only keep here also decimal have here. So you what write decimal by decimal have here. So see here 15 by what? 15 by 1 2 place before point. So 100. So 8 to 85 by 10 multiplication means reciprocal. We are getting 100 by what? 15. So see here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel. So now here come 15 ones are 15. Here table getting is 15 6 are 90. 15 5s are 75. 15 5s are how much? 75. 88 minus 75. So how much here? 3 1 135. Here 1. Here 13 remaining here 13. 13 here 5 135. 15 9 the 135. Okay. Now see 59 into 10. Total what? 590. Understood now? See 88.5 divisible 0.15. 885 point removing here. That's why by 10 divisible 0.50 point removing here. 15 by 100. So now here division we converting multiplication. So reciprocal of 15 by 100. What happened? 100 by 15. So here 10 means here one will cancel. So now 15 1 is 15. Here 15 5 are 75. 15 5 are 75. Are remaining here 88 from 75. How much? 13. Here already have here 5. Total 135. These 135 exactly divisible by 15. 15 ones are 15 nines are. So that's why 59. 59 into we are getting 10. 59 tens are 590. Answer is what? 590. You do divisible with one decimal number by again one decimal number. So you solve this like problem. Okay. Understand? So this like problem again one only is there. Again one not only one. This problem one only have decimal number by decimal number. Okay. Thank you. I am going to enter my class. What I am given to you work that are work. You carefully solve. Thank you. Thank you very much.